I just stepped off the elevator on deck 4 of the Norwegian Gem. Took a right and bam, I'm in this wild looking hallway that looks like a maze. It's not your average cruise corridor. I'm talking watertight doors, metal frames, a whole deep sea vibe. I'm headed to the very end of the hall, room 4500. And guess what? It's a porthole room. It's my first solo cruise ever, and you're getting a tour of room 4500 on the Norwegian Gem. Let's take a look. The first impression of my room. Oh, I like it. I like it. And for just $9.99 more, you too can see where you're going. Oh, you just flipped the light on. It's a tight squeeze because I have my backpack on. But look at this. Look at this room. Okay, let me lower this. This is what you have to watch. Let me lower this volume so you all can hear me. There's a safe, 5 shelves, which is great. Okay? You have your closet, the typical closet. Your life jackets. And a whole nother shelf that I can't barely reach. I better not put anything up there. I think it's the fridge. I think it feels cold, so it must be the fridge, but I think it's locked. Okay, maybe it opens on this side. Yo no sé. Yo no sé. There's another shelf. Lots of shelving. There's your TV. There's the table. All right, let's come this way. They put the bed together. So I have this huge bed all to myself. This is so awesome. I'm just saying, it's a huge bed and it's awesome. I don't have to be on a little tiny bed. Then over to this side, we have a stool, desk, got a hair dryer, got more shelves whatsoever. Whew, lots of shelves. And the desk area. Seeing if this is something. That's a light. That's a light switch, everybody. It's a 110 volt plug, so you can plug in your adapter, the little adapter, and your extension cords. And look at that. There's even a mirror right here that you can look at yourself once you get dressed. You have a couple of hooks right up here. The thermostat. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Okay, but it's pretty neat. All right, we have a shower. Good thing about the shower, there's no shower curtain. It's a sliding door, so that's nice. Yeah, I appreciate that. Sliding door. It's weird because there's wooden inside where the shower's at, so I guess that's waterproof paneling or something. Okay, that's your shower. I hear some noise. There's your toilet. And look at that. You even have privacy when you're in the toilet. You have plenty of towels. This is a nice bathroom. Yeah, this is a very nice bathroom. Let me step back so you can see this bathroom nicely. Almost missed this. Look at all the hookage. You got towels way down here at the door. Look at that. You got towels there. You got towels up there. And then you have some hooks right there. That's a nice bathroom. Cruising on the Norwegian Gem. And this is porthole room number 4500. Look at this. Look at this. So this is the bed, right? I don't know if you're supposed to be able to climb up here. But I'm checking the sturdiness of it because there's my porthole. There you go. How am I supposed to close those curtains? How am I supposed to close the porthole curtains if I can't climb up there? That's weird. I mean, I can climb up here. Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying. Suppose I couldn't. You know? Is there a pole or something? There should be like a long pole to be able to close them and open them. Either way, very interesting. And I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. You got a switch on the side right here. Just press it in and turn your night light on. Yeah. Oh, there's a sound. I have my noise-proof headphones with me in case it gets really loud because I didn't know what to expect on level 4. But I hear that the lower levels are a lot better. Like if you're on the lower level, they say that it's a lot smoother, but I am at the front of the ship. This is where we are for the next 4 days. Let's look at the size of the drawers. Whoa, is this open? Yep, this opens. Security guide. Okay, this is the artwork stuff. The art gallery thingamabob. Let's test out the comfortability of our little stool. Yeah, it's comfortable. Room service minibar. They have breakfast service available from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. $4.95 a room service fee will be applied. We will gladly deliver your breakfast. Oh,
good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a message from the bridge. All guests are required to proceed to your assigned assembly station and check in for a mandatory assembly station safety briefing prior to our sailing today. Your assembly station is indicated on your Norwegian Cruise Line keycard and also on the back of your stateroom door. Guests who have not registered at this station yet, we kindly request that you proceed to your assembly station at this time. This is a mandatory requirement that all guests are required to check in and have your keycard scanned. Your crew are available to assist and guide you should you have any questions. The Norwegian Gem Assembly Station are located in the following venues. Assembly Station A is in the Stardust Theater, located on deck 6 and 7 forward.
that's us.
Thank you for your cooperation in attending this mandatory assembly station safety briefing. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all officers, staff, and crew, welcome aboard the beautiful Norwegian Gem.
Thank you, Freestyle Daily. So day 1, feel free to follow the sun instead of a schedule. We got a comedian. I'm going to have to go through all of this and see what they have to offer for day 1. So that should be interesting. And then keep hydrated with our water package. Yes, I purchased the 12 bottles of 16-ounce water for $19.99. And I got the 12 16-ounce, they have cans. It's canned water. Savings that sizzle. Guess the weight contest, art scavenger hunt tournament, winner takes all. The drink of the day is the classic margarita. That's the drink of the day. Premium thermal suite pass. They have a premium cruise pass allows you to enjoy unlimited relaxation for 4 days, only $139. Okay, they had a lot of stuff to offer. Let's just put it that way. You guys don't want to be bored with all the little inside stuff. All right, this is the shore excursion order form. So you got the form if you want to order a shore excursion. Then it has the overview of the shore excursions. Look at all this. Yeah, we want to read this while we are on vacation. Not to earn up to 1,000 free onboard credits to spend on board today. Huh? As fast as I can do it. Can't do it, sorry. That's it. Okay, so I got the all-inclusive package on the internet. So I got that. People, try to get the package beforehand. If you get it beforehand, it's $59.95. If you get it while you're on board, it's like $89.95. So it's $30 more. So if you know you want it, know you're going to use it, get it before you get on board, so it's a lot cheaper. Okay. This is room number 4500 on Norwegian Cruise Line's Gem. And it is a gem. That's what the door looks like. This is room 4500. And as you can see here, it says welcome. There's a lot of noise in this area. You spin it right down here. So I'm spinning it. And I'm turning it to makeup cabin. I might do this over again. Then turn down cabin. Then do not disturb. So you put whatever you want on here. Welcome means they could come in and drop off whatever they need to drop off. Here's a sneak peek of our next video on the Lido deck.
A very good afternoon, Norwegian. My name is Renan. I'm the cruise director. Okay, team. Let's try to throw the t-shirt. Tonight we have the 70s party.
Thank you for watching another Travel Cake Trips video. We appreciate all of our viewers. We appreciate our subscribers and those of you who are thinking of subscribing. It's really easy and it's free. Just simply hit the subscribe button, like, and leave us a comment. Travel Cake Trips, we be trippin'.